Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the stairs for the interior and then exterior part. And then also we added the floor and anything else that we need to finish up on floor number 1. Now we're gonna continue here, and then we're gonna start off by adding the second floor. So let's start by going to level 2. So double click on that under the project browser, and then here what we could start doing is to lay out our second floor. So what I'm gonna select is I'm gonna select the exterior wall right here. This is exterior wall number 1, and then type in CS. So once I do that, I'm gonna make sure that it is up to level 3, and then the base constraint is level 2, and then we already have it wall center line, and then chain is checked. So here I'm gonna zoom out, and then I'm going to click on at grid B1. After that, go all the way to grid line B3. I'm just gonna zoom here so that we know that we're adding it in the correct spot. So I'm just gonna redo this one right here, and then add this one B3, and then going all up to A3. So this is grid line 3, and then click on right here, and then after that zoom out again, A4, and then all the way down, and then here what we're gonna do is we're going to make sure that this is at 13,500 millimeters. So here I'm just adding it right here, and then going around here, and then after that around 1850 going across. So here this is 13,500, and then 1850 to go across here, and then again I want a 1400 going up, and then here we need to go all the way right here up to this grid line. This is grid line number 3, and then go up again. We're going to put this at 1000. So 1000 right here, and then now we're just going to align this one right here. So AL, grab it there, and then align it there. And then here what we're gonna do is we're just going to go across here. So I'm gonna grab it here, and then I'm going to just fill in this. So CS, just same layout from below. So now as you can see, it is very confusing knowing that the underlay is turned on for base level 1. So you just need to go on your property, go to underlay, and then range base level, change this to none, and then those will disappear, and now we could gladly create our interior walls and those kind of stuff. So now we're gonna continue adding. So right now what I'm planning to do is I'm just gonna click on wall, and then look for interior wall number 1. I'm just gonna use that, and then here I'm going to add a wall just in the middle for now, and then press escape and then escape again. So this wall, I want it to be around 4750 from the wall from here. So that's the length, and then after that I'm gonna select that again, and then I'm gonna grab it from here. It's saying that this wall from here is 2820. I'm gonna change that to 3650. So now we have our corridor. I'm gonna select this interior wall again, CS, and I'm just gonna close it off. So now this one is our first bedroom, and then we're gonna add in another bedroom, which is right here. So beside this stairs, we're going to add a wall right here, and then a wall right here as well. So we're gonna box in that wall, and then here we could just connect that. So as you can see, it's very easy. The location of our stairs, just box it in, and then after that you could just align this, or we could add in the same wall, interior wall. Select that, and you want to check it, and it's better to have it link right here. So I'm gonna AL, and then let's align this, and then now align this again to this face. So everything is aligned. We can then join them all together, and as you can see, that looks nice. And then again, we're going to extend this wall all the way here. So we're just gonna grab this and extend this all the way there. So now we have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, and then the 4th bedroom will be located right here. So here I'm gonna select this wall again. This is the interior wall number 1, CS, and then let's add in a wall from here first. We could actually join them, and then here, this is 3000. We're gonna change that to 4100. Let's make it 4000 instead, just to make it even. Then now, this is the look that we have here. And then now, we could change this and add a wall right here. So I'm gonna add a wall, select this wall again, and let's change this to 1500. And then again, CS, another wall. I want this one to be 1500 again. So now this is 1500, this is 1500. I want to see how it looks. So this is 1300 from the inside wall. Let's change this to instead 1700, and then 1700, both of them. And then now we want our inside to be 1500 each. That's why we need to extend that. So that's 1500, 1500 from the inside dimension. So after that, let's add in some walls right here. This wall. So here, select that, CS. I'm going to add a wall right about here. And then select this, and then grab this one and put it right here. I want this one to be around 2700. And then let's grab this again, CS, and let's put it in the middle. And then I want to see the dimension from the middle. This is 1310, and I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is, this one is good enough because we could have a shower here, and then but this part is something that I don't want, because I want it to be at least 1500 from the inside. So now this is 1500 from the inside. We could just leave it like that now. At least there's enough room for us to have here for our washroom. Now I'm gonna select this wall again, CS, but after that I'm going to change this wall, these two walls right here that I just add, and then make it interior wall number 2. This is for the closet. So here I'm just putting this one around 700, and then here we could just extend this or not, depending on the door that we're gonna add. Now that it's here, we could add in our closet as well on the other side. So CS, here we're gonna add in a closet. So we're gonna add a walk-in closet right here, and then here I'm gonna select that, and then this one is around, we could put it as 1700. Okay, and then here we're just going to align it so that everything is aligned. And then here we could just put 700, and then we could add in something right here later on, and then we could access the washroom right here, and then the room right here will also have an access for the washroom. And then I'm going to select this again, CS, and then here we're going to add in a closet for this one. What I like to do is I would like to align this one right here before I join them all together. So now we have an access here. I like it around 600 to 700. So that's good enough for me. So this bedroom has a closet. We also have this one. This one is a walk-in closet right here, and then this one has a closet. So we could add this one a closet as well. And then in terms of size, 700, and then here we could just maneuver here depending on the size of the door. So now this one looks good. I'm happy with what we created here. So for everybody, so that you guys can visualize, let's add in the door. So click on the door right here, and then let's look for the single interior panel first, and then let's add in around 800 by 2000. So here I have the 800 by 2000. You need to press your space bar to change orientation, and the side, so if you put your crosshair on the interior, it will go to interior, and then outside if you put it on the outside. So here I'm just adding this. Let's add this one as well, right about here. And then also right here, this is the entrance for this bedroom, and this one as well for this bedroom. This is the entrance for this bedroom. And also this is the washroom entrance for this, and then washroom entrance for this one. So as you can see, we can extend this if we want to. So at least they will have a decent space for the closet. So now what I'm planning to do is adding the sliding door in order to show where is the closet. So click on door again, drop down, and then I believe the sliding door is right here. We could add this one first and then see how it looks. So here, once you add this one, as you can see, it's still too small for that. So what we could do is you could just go drop down and then change it as you go, and then it will change it as well once you change that. So it will expand as you go. Maybe 1800 by 2000 is good for this space. CS on that, and then add it right here. Let's add this one right here, and then on this side, what we can do is we could just add. So here we forgot to add the door for the main, so I'm just gonna add the door for the main like that. And then here we're going to add annotation. So go here, detailed line, demolish. So let's add demolish first. So add demolish right here. So 2 of them. And then here, this is to represent the rod. And then this one as well for the rod. And then after that, let's add this one, an L shape for the walk-in closet. And then after that, click on detailed and change this to thin line, and this should be from the outside. This kind of detail it depends on how your company likes or how they do the details. So for me, what I learned is just adding a broken line or a dashed line, and then a straight line like this, or a continuous line. So now I'm happy with what we created here, and then let's just continue on the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.